if you think you should be making a lot more than you are right now, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. We have only trained one trader in firm's business. We started in 2005. So in 15 years, there's only been one trader that we've trained that made $1 million in his first year. Only one. Not yet, not yet, not yet. The path to consistently profitable trader, patience. We talked about that. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Remember legend, a foundation, sample, daily routine, a playbook in your niche, technology, the good fail, consistently profitable trader, sizing, breadth. Notice that sizing comes after being consistently profitable trader. Notice how many things come before becoming consistently profitable trader. At our desk at SMB, we're a proprietary trading desk located in New York City. We fund traders. We hire them from zero. We hire them as new traders and give them all the resources they need to become seven-figure traders. They start with building a strong foundation. They need to learn everything they need to know about trading. We don't expect them to be able to make money unless they first learn everything they need to learn about trading. So the first step is SMB DNA. They don't actually even come into our doors to train with us in-house. You can't even actually be an intern and walk through our doors unless you take SMB DNA. Can't walk in the door. And so that's the beginning of us teaching traders their foundation, and trades down into variables. And we teach all of those setups to our new traders. There's breakout trades, momentum trades, scalp trades, breaking news trades, market play trades, arb trades, across the boards, backside trades, all the trades that active traders take who are elite and consistently profitable, we break down and share with our traders and then let them experiment with. All of that's supplemented with daily mentoring sessions. So we have an AM meeting, we have a meeting after the close. Senior traders come in and talk about what they're doing well and how they're doing it well, how they're finding stocks, and what their best processes are for trading at their best. We have a meeting right after the open at 11 o'clock, talk about the best setups from the open that guys can be taking from that day, so they're learning in real time. We have a playbook session. We have a reading the tape session with prop traders have that retail and independent traders sometimes lack. But the key is they're sampling. We let, after we expose our traders to all these different types of setups, we let them choose the niche that they're going to focus on. We let them choose the business that they're going to build within inside of the prop firm. And everyone's different. Everyone trades different setups. They all make them their own from these setups that we teach them. And I'm going to talk about 20 habits you might pick up, add to your trading to help you trade better. Having a consistent routine helps people perform better. They have a playbook in their niche. They develop that by doing a playbook exercise each day, archiving setups that make the most sense to them, breaking down, decoding the setups that worked, that made the most sense to them each day. And then that becomes that's the genesis of their trading business. Technology. We have weekly classes where we're teaching people how to use technology to build filters and scripts and automation. And then consistently profitable trader. We don't expect, and so we're hiring really terrific people They're interning with us. We're hiring the best of the interns. We don't expect them to really make money until a little bit later in their trading career. We give them plenty of time. We don't expect somebody who we've hired to kill it month 3. So if we, as what people consider to be the most successful prop firm in the US at building traders from the beginning into consistently profitable and then 7-figure traders, that's what we're known for. If we are, and traders have all these resources, they have millions of dollars of capital and the best coaching, the best technology, experienced traders around them who do really, really well, everything you need. If we don't expect them to make money right away, then maybe you shouldn't. Find your talent with the power of sample. So too many who take 1 or 2 training courses fail, and then they conclude one of 2 things. Either I'm a bad trader or the training is a scam. So let me put this in context. So I'm a former Division I athlete. And when I grew up, I played 3 sports. I played soccer, I played basketball, and I played baseball. I played the most soccer. Spent most of my time playing soccer. I practiced the most at basketball. And I played the least and I did practice baseball, but practiced the least of any of the sports playing baseball. And, as I grew older, it turned out that, I could have practiced as many hours in the day as I possibly could for soccer. And if I did that, I was never going to be a Division I soccer player. I could have practiced hours upon hours and upon hours more playing basketball, and I was not going to be a Division I athlete. But for whatever reason, I can throw a baseball really fast. And that's part of, abilities that I had and that were developed. But we need to recognize that as traders. We have unique personality and cognitive strengths, and we need to build on them. And if we go into the wrong niche learning as a trader, we're not going to succeed. We have traders on our desk who, if we made them scalp, would not be successful. But if we let them do the things they're good at, can be 7-figure traders. We have traders on our desk, okay, who, if we made them to be swing traders, would not be 7-figure traders. Find your talent after sampling. You got to try a bunch of different types of trading, different types of products. You got to give it some time. And then from there, see where your talent lies for trading and gravitate towards that. Daily routine drives your improvement. James Clear wrote one of the great books last year that I recommended to all the traders on our desk and in our community, called Atomic Habits. Must read. Find some time to pick it up. He also writes a great newsletter, and in a recent one, he wrote, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." Your goal is your desired outcome. Your system is the collection of your daily habits that will get you there. This year, spend less time focusing on the outcomes and more time focusing on the habits that precede the results. Our job is to develop a routine of best practices that are effective that we turn into habit. That's what allows us to improve as a trader. For example, here are 20 habits for traders, unless you want to fail, that we'd recommend to our traders. And that they put on their calendar and implement into their trading day. A daily playbook. Tape reading, watching back recorded film from the trading session that's most interesting to them, where big moves came after. Mindfulness, 10 minutes a day of mindfulness practice. Learning daily. So one of the things I do each day is I walk to and from work. Well, I used to walk to and from work, but now that we have the coronavirus fears, we actually moved out of the city into a shore house, this big shore house, and that's where sort of all holed up. But what I used to do was walk to and from work, and I would listen to audiobooks. I listened to audiobooks, and I listened to podcasts, and I built into my day time for me to learn.